Reflect on something, a deep dive. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and widely used phrase, reflect on something. This phrase is not only common in daily conversations but also enriches your language expression. So, let's dive into the depths of reflection and understand how it can enhance your English communication skills. At its core, reflect on something means to think deeply or carefully about something. It's a process of introspection, where you consider your thoughts, actions, or experiences, often with the aim of learning or gaining insights. When you reflect on something, you're taking a step back to analyze and evaluate your experiences or knowledge. Key points to remember: it involves deep, careful thought. It's a form of introspection. It aims at learning or gaining insights. To truly grasp the meaning, let's look at some examples. 1. After the conference, I took some time to reflect on the feedback I received. 2. Here, the speaker is thinking deeply about the feedback to understand and learn from it. 3. We should all reflect on our actions and how they affect those around us. 4. This sentence emphasizes the importance of considering the impact of our actions on others. Practice exercise. Try to create your own sentences using reflect on something. Think about recent events in your life or topics you're interested in, and how you could reflect on them. Reflecting on your learning journey can significantly boost your English skills. It allows you to identify areas for improvement. By reflecting on your mistakes and successes, you can see where you need more practice. Set realistic goals. Understanding your current level helps in setting achievable goals for improvement. Enhance your understanding. Reflection helps in consolidating what you've learned, making it easier to remember and apply. How to incorporate reflection into your learning. Keep a learning diary. Discuss your progress and experiences with peers or mentors. After each lesson or practice session, take a moment to think about what you learned and how you can apply it. Reflecting on something is a powerful tool not just in learning English but in our everyday lives. It helps us grow, learn from our experiences, and become better communicators. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of reflection and how you can apply it to enhance your English learning journey. Thank you for watching, and happy reflecting. Remember, the journey of learning English is enriched not just by the words we learn but by the reflections we have along the way. See you in our next video.